guys, this is Stephanie from WTI, and today I have with me the Munchkin straw sippy cup. Let me tell you why this is one of the best things that I have in my kitchen cabinets. My son had a really hard time letting go of his baby bottle, and we tried many different types of sippy cups, but this is the one that he liked the best. The sippy cup itself, it feels like a baby bottle with all the benefits that the straw will provide. And my favorite part is that you can cover the straw, especially when you're out and about, and just in case if you drop it, it will keep the straw nice and clean. His favorite part is the way down straw, which allows him to drink every last ounce of his drink. This is very helpful, especially with toddlers, because they are learning to drink from a sippy cup, and they're so used to their baby bottle and turning them to drink from that. This sippy cup comes in a pack of 2. This is the blue color, which is my son's favorite, and we love it. And I'm sure that you will really benefit from it. But that is just my point of view.